What's up, everyone? You know that moment when your phone, keys, or coins disappear into the gap beside the car seat and suddenly you are digging around like you lost something in a black hole? Every driver has been there. Today, we're looking at 6 of the best car gifts under $100 that actually make driving easier. These are not random accessories that sit in a drawer after 1 week. We're talking about useful upgrades for charging, cleaning, organizing, diagnosing problems, and making the inside of a car feel better every day. Whether you are shopping for a road-tripping dad, a friend who keeps their car spotless, a new driver, or just yourself, there's something here worth adding to the car. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it. On number 6, LISEN Retractable Car Charger. The LISEN Retractable Car Charger is a great gift for anyone tired of seeing charging cables hanging all over the center console. It takes a basic car charger and turns it into a much cleaner, more useful setup. Its main feature is the pair of built-in retractable cables. You can pull them out when you need them, then let them slide back inside when you are done. That means no loose cables around the gear selector, no tangled wires in the cup holder, and no need to keep separate charging cords in the car. The charger delivers up to 69 watts of total power and can charge multiple devices at the same time. It includes a USB-C power delivery cable for newer phones, a lightning cable for compatible Apple devices, plus extra USB-C and USB-A ports. That makes it useful for families, road trips, rideshare drivers, or anyone who regularly has passengers in the car. Another smart feature is the 180-degree rotating plug. Some car sockets are placed in awkward spots, and this lets you adjust the charger so it fits without blocking other controls or sticking out too far. The only thing to remember is that retractable cables use moving parts, so they may not last forever if they are pulled and snapped back constantly. But even if the cables eventually wear out, you still have a powerful multi-port charger. If your car is always full of cables, phones, and low battery warnings, the LISEN is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. On number 5, ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced OBD2 Scanner. The ANCEL AD310 is one of those gifts that can save someone money the first time they use it. When the check engine light comes on, most people immediately assume the worst. Then they drive to a mechanic, pay for a diagnostic scan, and sometimes find out the issue was something as simple as a loose gas cap. This compact OBD2 scanner lets you read and clear basic engine trouble codes at home. You plug it into the OBD2 port under the dashboard, turn on the ignition, and the screen gives you the code and basic information about the issue. It can also show freeze frame data and emissions readiness information, which is useful before an inspection or when trying to understand whether a repair actually fixed the problem. The best thing about the ANCEL is how simple it is. There is no app to download, no Bluetooth pairing, and no battery to charge. It powers directly from the vehicle, and the button layout is easy enough for someone with zero mechanical experience. It is important to know what this tool does not do. It is mainly for basic engine codes. It does not offer the advanced ABS, airbag, transmission, or professional live data functions found on more expensive scanners. But for the average driver, that is not a deal breaker. It is a practical tool that gives you a little more control before you hand your car over to a mechanic. For a new driver, budget-conscious owner, or someone who likes knowing what is going on under the hood, the ANCEL AD310 is an excellent gift. On number 4, Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. The Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler solves one of the most annoying problems in every car: the gap between the seat and the center console. Phones, keys, coins, receipts, fries, parking tickets, everything seems to fall into that tiny space at the worst possible time. And trying to reach down for something while driving is distracting and unsafe. The Drop Stop fills that gap so items cannot disappear underneath the seat. Its design wraps around the seatbelt catch, which means it moves with the seat instead of sliding around or dropping down like many cheaper foam fillers. It is made from flexible material, can fit a wide range of vehicles, and installation takes only a few seconds. Once it is in place, you mostly forget it is there until the day your phone almost falls and gets stopped instantly. There are cheaper gap fillers available, including leather-style options with extra storage pockets, but the drop stop is popular because it focuses on one job and does it well. It stays in position and keeps the gap covered. It may seem like a small thing, but it can make the car feel less frustrating every day. It is also one of the easiest gifts on this list because almost every driver can use it. On number 3, Govee Smart Car LED Lights. The Govee Smart Car LED lights are for the person who wants their car to feel more personal. While the ANCEL scanner is about practicality and the drop stop is about convenience, the Govee lights are about atmosphere. Using the Govee Home app, you can choose from a huge range of colors, create custom lighting effects, and change the mood of the cabin whenever you want. You can keep it subtle with a soft blue or warm white glow, or go all out with bright colors for a more dramatic look. The music mode is where these lights get especially fun. The built-in microphone lets the lights react to your music, changing colors and pulsing with the beat. It is a simple upgrade, but it can make night drives, road trips, and even everyday commutes feel more interesting. The two-line design helps reduce cable clutter compared with larger 4-strip kits. You can run the lights through the front and rear footwells, then tuck the wires away for a cleaner installation. The adhesive can sometimes need a little help, especially in hot weather or on textured surfaces. Using the included clips or zip ties is usually the best way to make sure everything stays in place. If you are buying for a teenager, a car enthusiast, a delivery driver, or anyone who spends a lot of time behind the wheel, the Govee lights are a fun gift that they will actually enjoy using. On number 2, HOTOR Foldable Trunk Organizer. The HOTOR Foldable Trunk Organizer is for the person whose trunk has turned into a moving pile of groceries, tools, sports gear, bottles, bags, and emergency supplies. It gives everything a proper place. The organizer has large compartments for bigger items and multiple smaller pockets for things like cleaning supplies, jumper cables, flashlights, gloves, and reusable shopping bags. What makes the HOTOR stand out is its structure. It uses reinforced fabric, a thick base, and sturdy walls, so it does not collapse as soon as you put something heavy inside. It can handle groceries, tools, road trip gear, and everyday items without turning into another floppy storage bag. It can also be used at full size or folded down to a smaller half-size setup. That flexibility is useful because some days you need maximum storage, while other days you just want a compact place for emergency gear. The lack of a lid and non-slip bottom means it can still move around on a smooth trunk floor if you take corners aggressively. But compared with loose bags and random items rolling around, it is a major improvement. For parents, commuters, delivery drivers, gym goers, or anyone who likes a clean trunk, the HOTOR organizer is one of the most useful gifts here. It makes the car feel more organized without taking up much space. On number 1, PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Taking the number 1 spot is the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. It may look like a novelty at first, but it is surprisingly useful for cleaning the areas that are difficult to reach with a cloth or vacuum. You press the gel into air vents, cup holders, dashboard seams, buttons, storage compartments, and other small gaps where dust and crumbs build up. Then you lift it away, and it picks up the dirt without needing water, sprays, or extra tools. It is especially satisfying to use on dusty vents and the tight spaces around gear selectors, climate controls, and cup holders. Those are the places that make a car feel dirty even after you wipe down the bigger surfaces. The gel can be reused until it becomes dark or loses its ability to pick up debris. Just make sure to keep it away from heat and water. Leaving it on a hot dashboard can make it too soft or sticky, so it is best stored in the container after use. It will not replace a vacuum or a full interior detail, but it is a great tool for quick cleaning and touch-ups. It is affordable, easy to use, and makes a car look noticeably cleaner in minutes. For detail lovers, new car owners, or anyone who enjoys satisfying cleaning products, the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is a simple gift that delivers an instant result. That's our list of the best car gifts under $100. If you want a practical tool that can save money, the ANCEL 8310 scanner is a great choice. If you are tired of dropping things beside the seat, the drop stop is an easy win. If your trunk needs serious help, the HOTOR organizer is hard to beat. And if you want a quick, satisfying way to make the interior look cleaner, the PULIDIKI Gel is a fun option. If this video helped you find the right gift, hit the like button, subscribe for more car accessories and gear reviews, and tell me in the comments which product you would buy first. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.